everyone, and welcome to Old Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm happy to come on and show you my haul right now. I received this package from FedEx, so let's go ahead and open it up. So when Crystal from Bag O' Day Crochet showed her yarn and said there was ice yarn available and her rainbow yarn that she usually uses was available, I ran over to the website. Let me show you what I got. Now, I ended up getting the yarn. I don't think this is the yarn that she uses on a regular basis, because by the time I checked out, it was gone. I'm pretty sure this is the other rainbow, because, you know, there is a rainbow and a rainbow too, right? So I got the 64627. That's the one I got. Still pretty though. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So I was able to get this yarn. Got to me very, very quickly. And I have 8 balls of this. Look at these colors. You're going to get that deep, rich lime green. That purple. Look at that blue. Beautiful sea blue. Oh my goodness. So many other colors in here. It is truly a rainbow, because you're going to get this yellow and also that fuchsia color that's peeking through. The greens, different shades of green. I love this. So, like I said, I got it on Ice Yarn. I went directly to their website. I will put the link in the description box down below. If you're interested in this yarn, it was $8.99 for 8 balls of this ice yarn in that rainbow. Okay, again, the number is 64627. Next, I ordered something else. And what I would like for you to do is let me know in the comments what you think I should make with this yarn. I couldn't just go on there and just get the rainbow yarn. I had to get some other stuff. Ooh, look at this. Look at these beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. This is 77420. Oh my goodness. So that's 4 in that pack right there. Let's see, 8. So I have 8 of this. And I have to tell you how many yards it is. So I need to go off camera and look at my order sheet and tell you how many yards is in each one of these. But this is so beautiful. You're going to get that fall vibe. That's what I was thinking when I first saw this. All right, here we go. So you're going to get that gold. This gold right here is a mustard color. You're getting that mustard vibe. You're going to get that Halloween orange. You're going to get the brown. There is tan in there. And also a green. It looks more like an olive green. You all see that? And I thought I might need to make something for fall. Now, it's not the softest yarn on the planet by any means or any stretch, okay? What's on my mannequin there is some very, very soft yarn. It is not soft like Hint of Silk. It just isn't, all right? But I bet it'll soften up a little bit in the wash. I'm loving this. This is a medium weight 4. Let's see what else I can decipher on the skein. It's 100% premium acrylic. It's 100 grams and 200 meters. All right. So let me know. It's called Ambiance. Y'all see that? Ambiance. Very beautiful. It screams fall, right? So let me know. I have 8 balls of this. 100 grams. 200 meters. What should I make with this? I can make a lot. So if y'all just said a hat and scarf set, I would do it. Or should I make a cardigan? Should I make a sweater? It's endless. The options are endless right now, but I just had to have this when I saw it because Mr. Sailor said you need to order some fall colors, fall yarn. This shipped to me very quickly. I want to say it was $19.95 for the shipping. Granted, it is very, very expensive to get it here, but the yarn is really, really super cheap. I was able to get all of this yarn and Ambiance in these fall colors for $15.98 for these. All right. So it's up to you, but I had to bring you and share with you my yarn haul. That was very quick and painless, wasn't it? So let me know what you think in the comments. And I greatly appreciate you all for watching. You all have an amazing rest of your week. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you for watching, yeah. Please click that thumbs up, like the video. And if you haven't already, push that button that says subscribe to all of Joe's channel, the Crochet Sailor channel. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe to the channel.